Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. On 3rd May, Apple released multiple iOS update. It might be regarding your iOS 14.5 as well as your iOS 12. So today in this video, we'll be talking about iOS 14.5.1 update. What are the new features? What are the new fixes in this update? So guys, let's start the video. iOS 14.5.1 was released along with your macOS Big Sur 11.3.1, your iOS 14.5.1 along with your iPadOS 14.5.1 as well as your watchOS 7.4.1, and for older devices it released iOS 12.5.3 as well as your iPadOS 12.5.3. So guys, in this video let's see what are the new features in iOS 14.5.1. So first of all, let's talk about some numbers. So talking about update size, it has around 90 megabyte to 100 megabyte depending upon your device. And talking about the build number, it is 180.212 for new iOS 14.5.1. So guys, after update size and the build number, now let's go and find out what are the new features, what are the new fixes. So guys, now as you can see on screen, it is a release note for your iOS 14.5.1 as well as your iPadOS 14.5.1, and here Apple says that it is a security update for all the iOS 14.5 devices, and the security update is regarding a WebKit. So guys, as per my understanding or my knowledge, the WebKit is regarding your operating system or a coding in it. So this iOS 14.5.1, the security update might be fixing some issues or bugs related to your operating system in iOS as well as your iPad OS. So that was your features of security update iOS 14.5.1. So now talking about the fixes in iOS 14.5.1, it is regarding your app tracking feature. So in privacy in your iOS 14.5, the new update, okay, there is a feature added where you can allow or you can disable apps from tracking you. Okay, so here in earlier versions before iOS 14.5.1, whenever a user disables that app tracking feature, that might be by mistake or intentionally, but the issue was that once user disabled that app tracking feature in his devices, it was disabled permanently because re-enabling option was not available and it was completely grayed out, so user cannot do anything about the option. So now it has been fixed in iOS 14.5.1. To check out this feature, open setting application, open privacy and go to tracking, and here if you see iOS 14.5 added a new feature about allow apps to request to track you. So earlier like Facebook and all, this track you without your knowledge, but here you have permission or you have a right to choose which app to allow to track you or which to disable. So if you see here, you can disable completely for app tracking you, or you can choose particular application for allowing them to track you. So earlier this was grayed out, okay, it is not available. So earlier if you by mistakenly if you disable that, it is completely disabled, so you can't enable or re-enable this feature. This issue has been fixed now with iOS 14.5.1 update, where the grayed out option has been removed, iOS fixed, and you can enable or re-enable or disable the options very easily now. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you found something important in this video. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.